The old freezer's getting empty. It's time for some Dino ribs and another brisket. Man, I was walking through the grocery store and I was hungry and I knew there wasn't much in the fridge. So, man, the first set of Dinos that I saw, I bought. Also bought another set of brisket. Just the point. I didn't want to do the flat end. The point, it's just going to be me eating on it. And I like the point end much better. So, yeah, got a Dinos and a point that's going on. Also going to make some salsa. That'll be a different video though. So anyhow, here we go. All right, so I've got the brisket and the Dinos on the Old Country. It's running at 275, running oak lump and pecan chunks, and things are looking good. So yeah, I'm just waiting it out, and hopefully in about 5 or 6 hours I'll be wrapping it. So the brisket hit about 175 and started to stall, so I got it wrapped up. It's back in the smoker now. Hopefully I'm shooting for about a 6 p.m. done time on the brisket and the ribs. The ribs will finish a little bit earlier than that, but then I'm gonna do about a 6-hour hold, and I'm not gonna cut into them till almost midnight. So we'll see. All right, so the meat's been resting now for just about 6 hours. It's pretty close to midnight. I'm shooting in the garage because I don't want to wake my wife up by talking. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut into it and see what it looks like. Ooh, man, it's a pretty looking cut. Golly. Took a sample bite or two and wow, really good. However, I'm gonna vac seal it and I'm gonna eat on that tomorrow because I'm about ready for bed. Wow, guys, I can't tell you how good that was. Had a little bit of brisket, but I hate that beef rib. And man, if you don't have a sous vide and a vac sealer, what the heck are you waiting on? That is like the best way to reheat anything. Anyhow, man, it was really, really good. Give it a shot. Like and subscribe down at the bottom right down here, and we'll see you next time.